Howdy everybody. Welcome back. We're playing more Cannibal Crossing. Going straight back in to Rosie's World of Wonder. I believe we killed 2 bosses. I'm hoping we killed 2 bosses. We might have left off on the first one actually, so I have no idea. I was playing this on my not on the screen. So I have no idea where this save is up to. I know our motorcycle got beat the shit out of, but it's still standing. That's all I can really remember. So hopefully, we're pretty far in. Hopefully we're almost done, because that would be awesome. Not true. But bulldozer stash. So I believe there's just a bandit standing down there. Where'd he go? I saw his. Oh, no, that's not a bandit. Not a bandit. That was definitely not a bandit. Okay. Oh, jeez, we have so much shit. Okay, let's make a chest. I think we can do that, yes. Big safe. I like it. Just throw it right there. What? I don't wanna, where did these come from? I wanted a safe to put things in, not just a... Hold on. I'm gonna pick another one. Okay, there we go. That's better. That's what I was hoping for out of that. Okay, so hold on. So we need... Oh, we can make a tier 4 hunting rifle. I guess you need to make more scrap now. No, metal. I keep getting the name wrong. Does it matter? No. Okay. We've done some upgrading. Got a cool stop sign. Upgraded our hunting rifles. Now it's tier 4. Now the only thing left to do is just get some ammo and then get punching people, I guess. Of course, I can't reach that one, so I'm gonna leave it there just as a memento of whatever the hell happened there, and then we'll just make stuff down here. I am running low on metal, but don't worry, because we have millions more coming. Look at that. This is easy peasy. I like how the numbers don't show up sometimes. That's fantastic. 3, 2, 1. Oh, there goes that one. Alright, well, I'm not gonna question what's going on there. I'm just gonna deal with it. Okay, so I believe we did Quill's boss. Yes, we did Quill's boss. Now we have to do Lola's boss. Which is fine by me. I'm gonna grab that. I'm gonna grab that. And I'm gonna run over here and grab that. Okay. So now, I believe her boss was fairly close by. Oh yeah, it's right there. We're gonna jump straight into a boss fight. Everyone's favorite. Although I am tired, I should probably get a... Really? Oh my goodness, I dodged that. That would have been embarrassing. We need... Okay, for goodness, can you go away? I just want a bed. That's all I was gonna say. I was gonna say I need a bed. Wow, look at all these guys. He's showboating. Oh, Vulcan. Oh. Okay, we're fine. Everything's fine. These trees are see-through. So there's the boss. I guess oh god. They got to them first, it would seem. Look at that, they're still kind of coughing up their weird stuff. Is there no way into this building? There's 2 beds in there. Not one in. I don't want to... Okay, so you know what? That'll be our reward for beating the boss. A good night's rest. That. So we have some food on us, and I think we can just jump. Let's just jump into it. I should have reloaded the hunting rifle. Y'all getting too big for your britches? You shouldn't have come here, Miss Lola. Something is taking us over. Possessed us. Ah! Oh, they're ghosts. Ooh, spooky. They're Grasper. Grasper, the not so friendly ghost. I shot one bullet and happened to... What is happening? Get away from me. Just get away from me. Get away from me. Get away from me now. I don't have healing things again. I keep forgetting to do that. Keep forgetting to make bandages, you know, one of the most necessary things when it comes to anything. But I think we're doing enough. I think we'll be fine. I think we will be A-O dickety-K. Oh yeah, we'll be fine. You know, nails. But they're 9 inches out. Oh! And almost dead. You know what? There we go. Easy boss. And I dodged the attack they shot as they killed. They died, so good. Phew! I was just tough as herding cats. We best skedaddle before any more show up. Can't thank you enough for your kindness, stranger. Well, you could thank me with money. You know, all this scrap and stuff, you know, it's cool, I guess, but I mean, the shmoolah is where it's really at, you know? That's what I'm in the game for. I haven't gotten any yet, which is truly a shame. But now we can rest. Something that is desperately needed. And a fridge! We could make some nice family meals. This is gonna be great. And look at that, look at our health regenerate. And we're gonna go to full. We're going to full. Look at that. We're so well rested. Got some oil. Who puts oil in the fridge? I guess those guys do. We're now level 11. I believe we're going for full focus. But I'm gonna change my tune. I'm gonna go for this one. Because immunity to poison damage and mucus corruption is pretty big. Because as the days go on, you see already that more of the world gets corrupted, and that can decrease your max health quite substantially, quite easily. And I don't like that, so I'm just gonna. The sooner I don't have to worry about that, the better. Someone already looted this place. It was probably me. Oh, Molotov's in the hood of the car. That's genius placement. Yeah, I definitely already looted this. Check the map. There we go. Yep, I've already been here. But, oh, hello. So is he, apparently. Let's put on a melee weapon. My new and improved stop sign with barbed wire technology. You don't scare me. That's how much you scared me. Not at all. Okay, let's make another radio, which I think I can do fairly easily. Yep. Give me another mission. Cora! Okay. Kelsey, you out there. Get back to the restaurant. I'm tired of covering your shifts. And I guess pest control added on there as well. Oh, everything's up there. Okay, there's a power set. Okay, so we're going to fast travel. Because screw having to walk all the way up there. There's a perfectly working car right here. By gum, we're gonna use it. So it was. Oh, you can fast travel to missions? No, we can't. Okay, so I don't know why it tells me I can't. Oh, wait, so I didn't. Wait, so I didn't enter power. Okay, can I just not go to Power Central? Police station. We're going there. 3 gas, worth it. Let's go. Thing like a. You weren't there before. I hope I don't shoot the lady with those bullets. Okay, listen. Leave alone me, please. Thank you. Lady, I don't know who you are, but we're locked in now, so I'm gonna need the child. I haven't eaten in days. Please don't have a child who needs me. Well, I need it too. I'm hungry. Come on. Selfish much? I guess have a pure permanent laser sight on this lady while she's just pleading for your child's life. You aren't one of them, are you? Or I don't even know if he said that, but would you mind helping me? I need to get something from my old house. Sure, why not? My little Kina misses her father dearly. You gave your child a name that I would not wish upon even my worst enemies. So, good work on that one. I'm sure they're very happy with your choices. Alright, well, so let's go to the chorus in, I guess. Oh, damn, see that? That's happening already. I hate that. But there he is. At Supreme Meat Joy. I need to open the door, of course. Enemies are near, you don't say. Sorry, dude. Couldn't close up early today. Crazy stuff happening out there. Hey, you look like you can handle yourself. Want to help me find my sis? Sure. You. What's happening? What is this? He's got a lisp. He's just stuttering. Oh, that poor guy. You know, he just wanted to be a bandit like the rest of his friends, but he's clearly not cut out for it. Oh, there you go. He finally got the words out. Well, it means I have to kill you, buddy. Sorry, not sorry. You asked for it, man. You finished the sentence. Oh, that's right up there. This is great. Should we do the pest control first? Maybe we do pest control first. Oh, is it the bowling alley? I know the bowling alley has an extra boss thing we can do. But first, I'm running low on ammo, so I'm just gonna plop some of these down. 3 there, and 3 in there, because it's not a lot of bullets, but it's definitely something, which is far better than nothing. Alright, let me tell you that. I don't know if anyone's ever told you that, people at home. Something, nothing, what would you rather have? Me, I'd take the something. Well, no, maybe we just see differently. You know, that's okay. You can be wrong all you want in the safety of your own home. Let's go beat the crap out of this bowling alley guy. Already off to a great start. I'll let him finish it off because he just doesn't seem to want to move. Oh, they shoot explosions in the sky. Alright, well, second phase already. Oh, wow. They have a gun. It looks like it hurts. Probably does if they hit me with it. But they're dead, so it doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter. No, you smelt that. So I'll take the bullets for that. Take the bullets for that. The wood, sure. I don't need that or that. Okay, cool. Good stuff. Give me some more pistol ammo, please. So now I only have 1 mag left. Is there anything you can actually get from the boat? Oh, there's lockers in here. Heck yeah. I always thought there was the mini boss. As you can see, my health is lowering so dang quickly. I hate it. Let's grab those and those. There's so many lockers. Gee, thanks. Nothing in it. That's my type of locker. A piece of cloth! Finally! We've hit the jackpot today. Oh, jeez. Okay. Our health is draining substantially. I can heal it with medkits, but those cost a lot to do, and I really don't feel like doing it, so probably just not gonna. Go away. Thank you. Okay, well that's definitely the pest control. Oh, sweet Mama Jude. Oh, wow. Oh yeah, Cora can take care of it for me, if anything. That's... Oh, they're all the range... Oh, he actually just took care of it all for me. Alright, cool. You know what? Never look a gift horse in the mouth. Not like I'm calling them a horse or anything, but, you know, there's really a bunch of food in here. Something I desperately need. Maybe some trash cheese, my favorite. Oh wow, there's so much. Look at all this food. Like, the eggs are falling onto the floor. Let's eat the apples, because I can't make them into anything. Ooh, it's safe. There's gotta be money in here! Or more food. You know, more food is an option. I wasn't expecting it, but, I mean, I guess it's an option. You know, at the end of the day, you take what you can. And we'll just consume... No, I want to take the apples. And a potato in the register, just for good luck. Our health is halved. That's not good. Believe it or not, I don't know if anyone ever told you that. Oh, hey, what are you doing in there? Stop. Please. Please stop. Cora, please just take care of them. They scare me. Hey, I'll save you! Ah, shoot. That didn't help. Stop! Stop it! Stop it! It worked. Oh, more cloth! This is the best day of my life. Alright, that flower will be very handy. There. Okay, we're almost there. Just 3 more levels. I could take it. Let's. The water balloons don't friggin' do much of anything. We'll just drop it for flour. Why not? Ooh, a dead guy. With some amp. That is a tier 3 sledgehammer. That's one tier higher than my sledgehammer. What a dick. Even in death, he's trying to best me. And he did succeed, so it's not like he was trying. Okay. No, I want those. I'm gonna drink those. And I'm gonna pick up the peas. Some peas. Oh, look at all this cloth. Look at our health just shooting down more and more. Could just drink it all away, but I don't have whiskey. Boy, I could probably make the thing that lets me do that. Yeah, let's. But then there's no point, because then it's just gonna keep decreasing. So let's just go. Y'all stop right there. I want to loot this car. That gasoline, that's just for me. Okay, what the fuck am I gonna do? I'm gonna do that. Suck it, losers. Oh, that was 10 bullets. I'm never gonna get back. Yeah, look at the world. It's just in shambles. I want to go to the pet store. Man, what pile of bones do I want today? Maybe there's some in the register. There's a lithium battery in the register. That's something I was not expecting. Hey, you back off. Oh, we made it to the mall. We have. All the grime and filth from the old days still here. This being in here might lag the game substantially. That's usually how it goes, but I'm doing it anyway because it's a lot of loot. A frickin' Spaz 12, eh? You know, I do have a lot of shotgun ammo. Why not, right? We'll swap it out for you for now. And then we'll just... Our inventory's so full again. How does this keep happening? It's like I like the things that we find. Okay, there we go. Okay, bomb while break. Just get rid of you. Da-da-da-da. Pistol I don't care for. Too much metal, actually, so... I think it holds 6 bullets. Hoi! Okay, we just need food. Preferably alcohol. Or bandages? Is there a place in here with bandages? Maybe I'll look for that first. Hopefully nothing spawns in here yet. I know things do spawn in here. We need to definitely get out of here ASAP. Oh, cloth, yes. Yes. Bullets, yes. Can't loot that. Okay, that's fine. Okay, we're gonna loot Pulling Beard, because I feel like that's probably where most of the cloth is gonna be. Never mind, there's a tier 2 hunting rifle there instead. It works for me. I'll drop that one as well. None of this is what I was expecting, but, I mean... You get what you get, and sometimes you're upset. It's just how life goes. Hey, there's cloth in that stop sign. Boop. Oh. Apparently never knew how to make that as Rosie. Neat. Oh, I'm still waiting to find the French fries blueprint again, because I found that ages ago, and then I just lost it. And I loaded up to save again, and it was just gone. So it's one of the different foods you can have. I don't know what it does, because I haven't gotten it in since the beginning. So, but okay. So just the boss again. All right. Well, we're doing 2 in an episode. That's what you like to see. Fast-paced action. We are just gonna make a fucking ton of alcohol and just hope that heals me up. Delish. Also, okay, I'm not gonna make bandages. I'm not gonna do it. I really want to, but I'm not gonna. Because I'm just gonna hate myself for doing it. Let's chug a lug. And look at that. We got some of our max health back. That's what you like to see. Oop, we can drink some more. Oh, that was a good roll. Is it random? I have no idea. But we're just gonna throw down a kitchen as well, because your boy wants some cake. It's the only thing. I should have probably seen what everything else would have done first. But that doesn't matter. Let's get some of this in us too, because why not? And then more alcohol, please. There we go. Back to full health. Now we just need a little bit more so I can get a med kit going. So we need to make 2 bandages. I'm only gonna make 2 because how much cloth do I need for this? Okay, that's still wood. Oh, okay. We only need 2. So I'm gonna get that, and then I'm going to make a med kit. Because everyone knows the 2 things you need to stay in health, in good health, are bandages and alcohol. Combine them, and you're set for life. And then we're gonna eat our cake. We'll summon. No, we don't need to summon a friend. Or do we need? Let's equip the stop sign. You can fuck off. Okay. I think from here, we're pretty much ready to go. He's gonna break our fridge. Our stove. It's not a fridge. It should be fine though. Let's just jump into it. We are drunk, but I'm sure it's fine. Yeah, you the douche duo that took my sister. Oh, they're speaking in tandem. Glad the family's here for the show. Groupies, stage dive. Oh, he's dead. oh, I'm still drunk. Uh-oh. This might be a problem for the start of the fight. Oh, this is a problem. Oh, we're no longer drunk, but I can't really move. There we go. Okay. Okay, we are taking a beating. Where's the cake? I need to eat it. I need to eat it now. Just keep shooting. Just keep shooting. Just keep shooting. Just keep shooting. Oh, my fucking dodge rolled right into that one. Oh my god. Okay, I almost did it again. This guy is tanky as hell. Oh, now he's 2. Oh god, we are... Okay, heal. Let's also eat some cheesecake, because why not? Let's throw one of those at him. Yeah. Oh god, this is not good. I think we're going to die. I think we are absolutely going to die here. We don't have enough medication to stay alive here. Oh my god, we are somehow still in this. Oh, we're out of ammo on that. Oh my word. Oh my word. This is not good. This isn't good. Just throw them all. Just, where's this? There. Okay. Oh my god. This is so close. No, this is so close. Except it's not really close. We were probably just going to die. They're getting so fast. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Come on. Our max health has been decreasing through the entire fight as well, which is just fantastic. Oh my god. Oh my god. There's still so many tiny things. Oh my god. Oh. We did it! Oh. Oh my god, we got really low on that one, boys. Okay. Whew. Forgot how intense that fight was. Oh. You think that it's still only counted as 1? Well done. I can't repay you for this, but take these. They're my special recipe. I don't only have a place to stay, so I'll bang at your place if you need me. What have I stumbled into here? Whew. And we have all the parts, tear down this heap of sand. Okay, perfect. Okay, so now we just need to get back home, which, since I still haven't upgraded, I don't even think I've built the electronics workstation. No, I need more wood. Let's just build it and then leave it somewhere, because I want to get home, and that's going to take too long if I do it any other way. So let me get my trusty axe. Let's just say frick you to nature. There, a single piece is all we needed. Bam, electronic station. So now we should be able to craft, yep, teleportation device. I just need to eat something to be able to pick it up. There's so much cheese. Let's put that in there, actually. There. Let's take this. See ya. Whew. We spotted a negative guy. Nice. Look at all of our friends. We've helped all of them. That's 3. So now, we should be able to use these parts to move the dirt. Maybe we can finally get my my pistol ammo thingy maker doodle back. That'd be cool. We are just going to use all the premium parts we have to upgrade the shit out of this guy. Look at that, Tier 3 bazooka. That is fantastic. I think, how many points do we have? 6. I think we have some. Oh, yes, we do. Who broke something? You! Dickhead. There. Just reinforce that corner for the time being. Okay. So now we can upgrade it again. There we go. Tier 4 bazooka. That is terrifying. We are going to use that in a boss battle. We just need some actual explosions. Okay, I'm gonna shut up. We have so much scrap, though. We could make a ton of bullets. Which we will absolutely do. But first, we need more wood so we can get the cloth going, so we can not only have a consistent source of, you know, important healing bits. Just hate it, but I get it. I think we can also unload. Why can't I get this out of my inventory? There we go. What's happening here? Does it think there's something there? I don't know. I don't understand. That's fine though, because yeah, we can unload with shift. So yeah, if there's anything with ammo in it, then we can just take it, which is pretty cool. We're going to drop this off. We're going to sneeze, maybe. Yes, we are. Sorry. We don't need 2 of these in theory, because we only need 1 to upgrade it. So we're only going to keep 1 of you. Bazooka can stay in my inventory. Rambo, I know I just upgraded the hell out of you. It took me forever to do it, but it is a bazooka. I'm sorry. I'm not sorry. You're not a bazooka. You will never be better than a bazooka. It's just a fact. Same thing for everyone listening in today, right now. You're never going to be better than a bazooka. Just stop trying. If everyone just stopped trying, we'd be in a better place. Who is breaking my shit? Bandit bastards. Not enough metal for what? I wasn't even trying to craft anything. Give me some ammo. You still haven't made any yet. Give me some ammo. We're definitely going to need to upgrade you. Can I just do that now? Not enough wood. I need 2 more wood, of course. That's usually how it rolls. Gonna chop some wood and I'm gonna use some ammo. Everybody loves it. What is it? These trees? Oh, you're feckin' kidding me. Oh my god, we're gonna die. We are going to die. We're actually just gonna die. We're dead. We're going to die. We're going to die. We are going to die. We are going to actually die. We are going to die. We are going to die. We're gonna die. We are going to die. We are going. Oh my god. We don't have any fucking. We don't have any cloth. Oh my word. What the hell? Heal me. Oh. I was so genuinely afraid in that very moment. We need a bed. How do I make tent? Need cloth and wood. Cloth. Make more cloth. Please. I need a tent so I can just sleep this nightmare away. How big is tent? It's that big. Okay. That It's genuinely terrifying. Oh wait, we got a stash from this, right? Did I lose the parts? What is happening? Are you... why is the military here? Military, bump off. Why is the military here? Why is the military here? Why is the I worked for this! No, get away from my motorcycle. Get away from my respawn thing. I forgot I can respawn. Oh my god, what, the bulldozer is just gone? Okay. You dickhead. Just smelt it all. I don't want to see any of it. I don't want to... What is this? Smelt it. Smelt it. Stand is here. What do you got, buddy? Cloth. Sure. Do us more, actually. Ooh, laser blade. That's kind of freaking awesome. Tree Soup is a good shotgun as well, but we're just going to leave it. Take, grab, smelt everything. Bomb lobber, we don't want it. Okay, we should now have a bunch of cloth. Oh, thank goodness for that guy. That guy, his name's Stans. His name's Stan, me. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah, so much space to work with. No, we don't. You can't build on it still. Okay, that's fine. I wasn't expecting to anyway. So, shaboom. Now we have a tent, which I'm immediately going to use to sleep. Okay, that's enough sleeping for now. We only really have shotgun ammo at the moment. We need rifle ammo desperately. We are just gonna cram this thing full. You can bump off, mister. Oh my, there's just more of you. Because why wouldn't there be? The thing hasn't started yet, but it may as well. What the fuck? Oh, it's because the stash. Okay, I genuinely thought I broke the game for a second there. This all kind of blows, so we're just gonna do that. The gold one I'm gonna save for last, 'cause it's not gonna blow. It can't. It is golden. Golden things don't suck. Ho, 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 ho. And I am still 11 premium parts. We could get a tier 5 bazooka. Kinda want to keep this. I'm pretty sure it behaves like a bow. So how do I get out of here now? Like actually, how do I get out of here? Do I need to take everything and it gets me to leave? I don't. How do I get out of here? I just walk somewhere. How do I get out? How do I leave this area? Oh dear lord! If the horde is gonna be in here, I'm genuinely oh, we're back. Oh dear lord, we have no time. There is no time. Brace yourselves. Oh dear lord, they're everywhere. No, get away from my stuff, you dick. No, my motorcycle. I almost broke my motorcycle. Oh my god, we're gonna die. We're gonna die. This happens all the time. Okay, wait. Upgrade again. And then better bandages. Make millions of them. Heal up to wherever I can. Y'all need to help, please. Okay. No, not okay. Get me my motorcycle. No, I broke my motorcycle. This is the worst. And they're only gonna keep breaking more of my shit. I need to protect this thing, because it's the only thing that will save me if I screw up here. So we're just gonna... Can I fence him in? Dawn of the 7th day. Oh, we're spending it in the best way I could think of. In hell. Stop breaking my shit. Just stop breaking my shit. Don't you dare break my tent. I just got that. We still have one more wave of them. Oh, dear lord. There's a cannibal in the midst as well. Oh, sweet Mama Jude. Oh, sweet Mama Jude. What is happening? Get away from my stuff, you dicks. Oh, I ran out of ammo again. Oh. Fuck you guys. Oh, they actually broke my altar. I'm glad I survived. Oh, what hit me? Oh, there's just a cannibals. Just, you know, why not? I didn't even get a stash. I got a sleeping bag. Just, you know, that's kind of cool. I get away from me. Oh my god, he's still alive. Get away, please. I don't want to deal with more. Why are there so many of you now? Oh my god. No, leave. What are you? Why are there so many things just here now? What do I do? Oh, 15. Okay, so now we don't. They're just destroying everything we had. It's like every season of the season finale of The Walking Dead, where they just completely destroy everything that they had, just so they could start the next season afresh. We still didn't even get any, like, a stash or anything from all this. It only worked our tuckuses off. It only broke everything I had. It's fine. You know, we have so many things now. We'll build it bigger and worse than we ever could have before. We need another one of these. This is just great. We need to get a bunch more scrap going so we can rebuild our walls. Because despite them being fairly garbage, it did save us. You know, you can't knock it, because we tried it, and it did save us. So. We also got level 15, which means we got our super ability, which I don't know what theirs is. Summon powerful stationary turrets would have been great in the middle of a fight. But that's fine, you know, we did it now. Now, if I just go down here and make, of course I can only make one, but if I were to make more, I would never lose any stuff now, because I've solved everything. I've maxed this out. So now I won't lose any health to the corruption. Oh, I'm just back up to full. Regardless, I don't know. Okay, you know what? I'll take it. We need kitchen. We need a kitchen. I don't have enough metal for a kitchen. We just have so much crud. Go stack. Stack. Is 17 too high of a stack? It's just broken. Just get rid of some stuff. There we go. We fixed it. Look at that. Why is that not? Okay, there we go. We don't need those. Jeez, everything is so. I'm just numb to the core. Eat peas. Try to appease the gods, because they are angry at me for some reason. Just put as many things out of my inventory as possible, so that way I actually have room for other things that I want in my inventory, like a bazooka. Okay, let's take all that ammo for this thing we just made. Oh, we have to upgrade this first. Can I upgrade it? Not enough wood. Of course it's not enough wood. I never have enough wood for quite literally anything. However, look at all this metal we got now. random doodles. I don't care. I don't care what they are. It's better than death. Give me wood. More than one. They gave me more than one. It's a... Oh my god, I still have help. Please. No. No way. No way. Donate stuff, sure. Yeah, just please stop hurting me. Let me live a prosperous life. My bulldozer base, which is no longer a bulldozer base, it's just a base next to where a bulldozer once stood. Tier 5 bazooka. We've done it. What a beautiful sight. And we need heavy ammo desperately. We don't have much to flood into that production. We're running low on scrap. We only have 31 pieces of scrap. What are we gonna do? Done. Cool. So we're gonna get some more metal going. Just we need it. Put some more in there. So that'll give me another 120, which is enough. We have a good amount of that. We have a good amount of everything. We just don't have a good amount of this ammo, which, well, we will shortly. Yay us. We're just gonna stop the madness here. And then next time we will pick up where we left off, which is just hell. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed watching. Sorry it was a bit of a longer episode compared to the other ones. I lost track of time. I was just enjoying myself so badly. There's just so much, it's just thing after thing. So you know what? That'll be it for this time. So thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye now.